I can plant a seed in the water, but only we can make it grow. We're all sons and we're all daughters.
I'll be joining the march to fight for their lives.
Please join me and my friends.
I have joined the march to fight for their lives.
I will join the march to fight for their lives.
Please join me with my friends to fight for their lives.
I'll be at the Global March for Elephants and Rhinos on the 4th of October, Saturday, to save them, fight for their lives.
I am joining the march to fight for their lives.
So stand up, shout out.
Join me.
Join the march to fight for their lives.
Join me in the march for their life.
Join me.
Can't dream too much.
And I'll be bringing everybody.
Fight for their lives. Join me.
Will you? Hands up for elephants.
Join the march.
Join the march. Join the march.
To fight for their lives.
When horns are cut off and tusks are broken, we sit and dream, let our minds run free. We can dream with both eyes open, make that dream reality. So fight for your dream in any weather, chase it down till you make it right. We can all join hands together, generation